So today I'm going to do my presentation on public surveillance because that is what I did on my my technology issue essay. And some of the information I found was kind of intriguing on some different points of views. So what is public surveillance? Well, the definition of surveillance is close observation, especially of a suspected spy or criminal. And the definition of public is ordinary people in general in the community. And so you put them together, and the definition of public surveillance is the close observation of the community. When did public surveillance become common? Well, public surveillance started coming around in 1976 when charged-coupled devices technology leads to the creation of cameras that can be used in low-light situations. These used microchip technology and made round-the-clock surveillance possible. And then in 1990s, ATM's cameras have installed to record all transactions. In 1992, the first nanny cam is invented. Pros of public surveillance. Public security cameras improve public safety. Surveillance cameras in public areas reduce crime rate. Public video surveillance helps catch criminals. Video cameras in public locations provide evidence and gather clues. Public surveillance improves convenience for everyday life. Some of the cons of public surveillance are security cameras in public violate privacy rights. Surveillance systems are easily abused, such as like the Watergate scandal. Effectiveness of public security camera is doubted, and public camera surveillance is expected. Now, some of these go right against with the pros because it is a big issue with technology. Some people like it, some people don't. Some people trust the system, some people don't. And so some of the cons are also some pros just mixed up, kind of confusing, but it's the truth about public surveillance. It can't be perfect, but people expect it to be perfect and they claim to be perfect, but at the same time it's not. The cost of public surveillance. Having it throughout cities is very expensive, and the state and country will spend a ton of money providing surveillance because cameras and microphones need to be maintained and aren't cheap. And not only does the government pay for it, we do too. Part of our taxes that come out goes towards public surveillance, and it costs over $1 billion a year maintaining and providing surveillance in the public. I decided to add a little thing on personal surveillance cameras because I wanted to show how expensive they were. For 4 cameras with professional installation and home monitoring, the national average is $1,200, with the high cost around $3,000 and the low cost around a couple hundred, depending on what you get, where you're at, who does it. And overall, that is my technology issue presentation. I hope you enjoyed it.